be right underneath you.
No, Christian doesn't work.
Yeah. What?
Hey, I mean,
how would that not work?
Yeah.
What's up, Gilbert?
Hi.
That's very rare.
What's up?
I always saw your face on me.
Hey. You're gonna be on YouTube!
Hey, bring that shit right here. This is from the movie Giant Silent Bob anyway, so don't think I'm weird. I am the clit! I fucking run this shit! Nobody licks a clit like me! I run the clit!
Hey, you know dude, you know I paused that, right? I paused it. I'm just fucking with you. Hey, don't do that here!
Hey,
No.
don't suck a fucking dick. They can do whatever they want.
That's all you fucking do is suck dick. Oh, that's it. That's all you got is just words.
Hey, buddy.
But wow, that's fucking original. Why don't you do the fucking
I'll show you right, bud. That's original.
We're fucking morons.
Dude, I used to record nothing.
Well, I'm fucking waiting because they said we're gonna start a game like in 2 minutes, and that was like past 2 minutes.
Bitch.
Fuck you. Get ready to fall down. And does he fall? Does he fall? Does he fall? He's going to fall. Ah, he fell down. And he got in trouble. Hey, bro, you dropped your mag. It is too freaking windy.
It's Mickey Mouse in the house, you know what I'm saying? We gotta take some terrorist trouble time.
When did you get fucking
How do we play terrorist in
the fucking house.
I don't know. I never played that before. Hey. Say hi to YouTube. Hey guys, wanna be on YouTube? Be sensations. Why do you don't want to be on YouTube? How come you don't want to be on YouTube?
I don't like being like on the internet.
Oh.
Even though I have a fucking Facebook and Instagram.
Okay. I'll take it like that.
Bitch!
Alright, try that. If it doesn't, start to use your hot
Oh, so much for the shooting test.
Oh, yeah.
How we shoot your best PD for us? How we shoot it for us? Oh shit, I'm throwing home. Do it for us! Hey! Hey, no, fuck you. These things are not steel toe.